This video is going to show you how to make soda pop cake. So first you need 5 eggs in a bowl. You need 3 cups of sugar, 1.5 cups of margarine. You need lemon juice, lime juice, and vanilla. You need 2 teaspoons of the lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 12 ounces of pop, either Sprite or 7-Up, and 3.5 cups of flour. So first we have our eggs in the bowl. Then we're going to add our sugar, 3 cups of sugar. Then our 1.5 cups of margarine. Then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Two teaspoons of that. 1 teaspoon of lime juice. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now we're going to mix this all up in the mixer. Put the mixer on low first so the butter gets mixed up in there. Mix that till it gets all nice and creamy. Once the egg mixture is all creamed together, then we add our flour. Turn it on slow at first. Then you want to grease a Bundt pan. I used cooking spray. And the last thing you add is your soda pop. I'm using Sprite. You can use 7-Up if you like. Once this is creamed, like this, then you want to slowly add your soda pop. And that is 12 ounces of soda. Preferably 7-Up or Sprite because it's a Bundt cake, so you have that lemon lime flavor. And we're going to let that mix for 2 or 3 minutes till it all gets blended together. Once your cake mix is all mixed, we put it in our Bundt pan for 1 hour and 15 minutes, and then we'll check it and see if it's done. It has to be golden brown and a toothpick has to come clean out of it. So again, that's 325 degrees for 1 hour and 15 minutes. To make the glaze for the cake, you put 4 cups of confectioner sugar in a bowl, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of cold Sprite. Mix that all in the bowl so it's nice and creamy. If you notice, it's a little thick. We're going to put it on the cake while it's still hot, so then it'll glaze it very nicely. Again, this is 4 cups of confectioner sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of cold Sprite. Or you can use 7-Up, whatever soda pop you used in the cake, whether it be Sprite or 7-Up, you can use in your glaze. And the reason why I use 7-Up or Sprite is because it's a lemon lime cake. It's a Bundt cake that's lemon lime flavor. So you really don't want to put Coke or Pepsi in it because that would be a conflict of flavors. So we'll just let this set until our cake is done. The soda pop Bundt cake has just come out of the oven. We're going to let it cool for about 10 minutes and then flip it over on our cake pan and then put our glaze on it. So now we're just going to let it cool, and it should, toothpick should come clean and it should bounce when it's done. Now that the cake has been flipped out of the pan after it sat for about 10 minutes, then we're going to put our glaze on we made. Just using a spoon to just drizzle it on. And since the cake's still a little warm, it'll run right down the cake. You won't use all this, but you can use it on other cakes or glaze for donuts. This is a good glaze for donuts. Just glaze it all the way around. And you are done. And that is our soda pop Bundt cake. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and enjoy your cake. Till next time.